Nobara Linux is a Fedora-based distribution crafted by Glorious Eggroll, the developer behind Proton GE. It's built for instant gaming readiness. Drivers, Proton patches, multimedia tools, and codecs are pre-installed. Right after installation, you can seamlessly launch games, stream content, and even edit videos using OBS or DaVinci Resolve, all without fiddling with configurations. Redditors consistently praise Nobara's plug-and-play experience. This distro just has it all ready to go. Everything was super simple right there, and for the most part, pre-installed. However, its update cycle can provoke issues. Multiple users have reported critical failures following kernel or Fedora-based updates, making system stability a recurring concern. Bazzite, on the other hand, is an immutable Fedora-based gaming distro built on RPM Austri Fedora Kinete Silverblue. This atomic design ensures entire system updates and smooth rollbacks, making it exceptionally stable, a point repeatedly noted by users. It simulates the Steam Deck experience with built-in big picture mode, HDR, VRR, support for Epic, GOG, EA and Heroic game launchers, and wide hardware compatibility including handhelds like Asus ROG Ally and Legion Go. Benchmarks show that Bazzite often outpaces Nobara by a few frames per game, and users describe it as hassle-free and consistently high-performing.